to our learner's book, page 64 today. Tomorrow we're going to be looking at the next page so we don't have too much of work. Our challenge book will be on page 37. I'll show you also what you need to do from your challenge book. Now let's get started on this one. This says that even more multiple, that's the topic for today. Write the matching times table for this number line. Look at the number line that we have. Look at it carefully. How many hops are we making? From 0 to 6, how many? We're counting in what? In 6. That means this must be the multiples of what? These numbers must be the multiples of 6. I told you that when you see a number line, after 0, the first number you see there will tell you if it is a 6 times table or it is a multiple of 6 number. Okay, so this is 6. We're counting in 6. It means all these numbers are multiples of what? Of 6. And that means it must be the 6 times table. So you know what you're expected to do? You're supposed to write the matching timetable. So let me show you an example of what you need to do. For example, this is 0. What are you going to write for this? You're going to write 6 multiplied by 0 equals, that's 0 please, equals 0. That's one. Then the next one is 6. Yeah, it will be 6 multiplied by 1 equals 6. Sorry. The next one is 12. So it's going to be 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12. What's the next one? 6 multiplied by what? The next to be 6 multiplied by 3 equals 18. So you're expected to write the times table up to the time when your answer will be 60, and that will be on 6 multiplied by 10. Okay, so continue like that till you get to 6 multiplied by 10. That means you have written the matching timetable for the number line. Okay, then it's saying choose 2 out of this timetable facts and write a fact family for that. That was the class exercise we did in the last lesson, so that should be easy for you. I hope you still remember how to write our fact families. So for example, if I choose 6 times 1, let's clean this off. Let's clean this off. Just a moment. All right, now if I choose 6 times 2 as the fact that I want to use, it says you should choose 2. I'm choosing 1 now. 6 multiplied by 2 equals what? 12. So let's start my fact family now. 2 multiplied by 6 equals 12. What will be the next one? The next thing is to write it backward. 12 divided by 6. Pardon me, not 6, 2 first. 12 divided by 2. You should write the first one backward. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And what's the next one? 12 divided by 6. Sorry. 12 divided by 6 equals what? 2. So this is our fact family. I've chosen just one fact. You're supposed to choose 2. Don't copy me, just do yours. Okay, you've written the times table already, so just choose any 2 and write. This is 1. You make the second one. Okay, you don't have to do this one, you can do any other one. Jude, yes, you can do any other one. You see, like you tell me, Miss, I'll not do your own, I'll do another one. Yes, you can do another one. Okay, all right, then Number 2, let's go on to number 2 now. We've done 2A, we've written the timetable, and we've done 2B also. We've also written the facts family. Now 2A says write the matching timetable for this number line, just the same one. So now tell me, what timetable would this be? What timetable? 9 times table. I always tell you, after the 0, look at the next number. Is 9. So definitely we are counting in nines. It means that this should be the 9 times table. So what will you do? Start from 0 multiplied by 9 equals 0. The next will be 1, or 9 multiplied by 1 equals 9. The next will be 9 multiplied by 2 equals 8. Just the way we did the 6 times table. So we don't need to talk so much about that. Okay, now then it says you should choose 2 of the times table facts to write the fact family for, just like this. Choose any 2 after you finish writing the 9 times table, then choose any 2 and write the fact family for it. C says add the digits from each 2 digits answer together. Now what is digits? What did I tell you that digits is? Remember, we said this like repeatedly in our lessons. What is digits? We said that digits is numbers. If I say 3-digit number, what does that mean? It means the number has 3 numbers in it, like this, for example, 1, 4, 2. Don't ask me, miss, what number is this? You know we can't have a perfect one now. So this is 142. Okay, this is a 3-digit number. What about this? This 12. How many digit number is it? 2-digit number. What about this 6? How many digit number? 1-digit number. There is only one. Here we have 1, 2. So that's 2 digits. Here is 1, 2, 3. That's 3 digits. Okay, so that's the meaning of 2 digits. You just have to. It says that add all the 2-digit numbers together. What does that mean? That you already have the multiples, the numbers there. Look at it. Let's try to clean this so that we'll see how to do that. Just a moment. Just a moment. Pardon me. Okay, now it says that we should add all the 2 digits number together. What 2 digits number do you see here? Where does the 2-digit number begin from? 18. Add the digits from each 2-digit answer together. 18 is our first digit answer. What is it telling you to do? Add 1 and 8. So 1 plus 8 is what? 9. Now, the next one is 2 and 7. So you will add 2 plus 7 is what? 9. Do you see that? Then the next one is what? 36. 3 plus 6 is what? 9. Do you see that? All the 2-digit numbers, when you add them together, you will always have 9. So if you're doing your 9 times table, for example, somebody asks you to write, in your exam, you're asked to write 9 multiplied by 6, for example. By the time you find your answer, to be sure that the answer is correct, add the 2 numbers together. If it is 9, then you may be correct. Okay? Alright, so continue with that and add up all the numbers together like that. Add everything together. 7 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 0, and write your answers. Okay, so we've answered question 2. Now question 3 says, pardon me, the part of question 2C, it says, what do you notice, and can you explain why this happens? Now give me your thoughts on that. Okay, why do you think that when we add those 2-digit numbers together, it's giving us 9? Why? So let me know what you think. Then here it says copy and complete this table. What do you notice? What table is that? I think we don't have the complete one here. Just a moment. Okay, so the table is actually, just check your book. I'm sorry, I don't know why it's not displaying here. Maybe the system cut it off or something. So you copy and complete that table. We have all the times table there, the 3, 6, and 9. So multiply those 3, 6, and 9 times 3. You multiply by all the numbers at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 10. So you do the first row, do the second row for times 6, and do the third row for times 9. Of course, you know that you can do that one into your book. Just fill it in into your book, into your learner's book. That's number 3. Fill number 3 in into your learner's book and take a picture of it and send to me. But from number 1 to 2, do it in your notebook. Remember how we do it? The topic is even more multiples. Write the date and in brackets LB page 64. Don't forget that. Don't go to the middle of the page and start writing from there. Start from where we stopped in the last lesson, okay? All right, good. Now your challenge book. This is what you have in your challenge book, okay? It displays first the multiplication table for 3 times table. See, that's what we have here. These then are the multiples of what? Of 3. Good. These are the multiples of 3. Now convert all of this, convert it to division, okay? I know you know your 3 times table very well, so convert it to division. Look at it. Then we'll have 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divide, that means you're writing it backward, okay? You're making it like a fact family, but you're doing division this time. 6 divided by 3, 2. 9 divided by 3, 3. Of course, your answers will now be here, okay? When you make it backward, your answers will be here. 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divided by 3, 2. 9 divided by 3, 3. Now, you know, this will help you to be able to write your division table. But this time, you know what you're going to do? You're going to choose the multiplication table that you know very well. It can be 2 times, it can be 3 times, any one. It can be 5 times. But don't write the multiplication table, okay? Only write the division table. Since you know the multiplication table very well in your head, just convert it to division like this and write only the division, okay? Now, the second thing you would do is choose another multiplication table that you don't know very well. Maybe the 9 times table. If you don't know it very well, try to write it backward. Don't write the multiplication table, just write only the division, okay? So for example, you can write 9 divided by 1 equals 9. 9 divided pardon me, yeah, 9 divided by 1 equals 9. 9 divided by, no, that now with the next one will be 18 divided by 9 equals 2. The next one will be 27 divided by 9 equals 3, okay? On and on like that. Try to do it, okay? The one you don't know so well, try to do it. Then after you finish that, you see how we did the remainders from our number line the other time. Choose the numbers from your answers. For example, like this. See, I have 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, all these numbers, okay? Choose any one that you know it cannot be divided by 3, or it will have a remainder, and then do the division. For example, I can choose here now 8. I know 8 is not a multiple of 3 and I will have a remainder. I can also choose 10. I know 10 is not a multiple of 3 and I'll also have a remainder. So divide those ones by 3, okay? So it says use your answers from the 2 division tables that you have made, okay? And write some calculations that have remainders from it, okay? And show that to me also in your notebooks. Just write challenge book page 37. Don't forget to, you don't need to go, if you, well, if you like, you can go to another page, but remember that it's still even more multiples. Write the dates and show me your answers. So I guess that you should understand perfectly what you're expected to do. I hope you have no questions, and if you do, you can please send the questions to me on as a message on K12. Okay, I'll answer your questions, but try as much as possible to do your exercises, right? So see you tomorrow and have a great day. Bye bye.